This little movie is about a quick demonstration of the Boolean data type. Now we can only have two conditions. It can only be true or false. So let's see how this works. We've probably all seen Shrek 2, where Donkey, Shrek and Fiona are travelling to far, far, far away land, and Donkey keeps asking, "Are we there yet?" Shrek replies no, and then a few seconds later, "Are we there yet?" "No," says Shrek again, and this repeats a few times more, with Donkey asking, "Are we there yet?" And eventually, in frustration, Shrek shouts, "No, it's far, far away land, that's why it's called far, far away." Donkey sulks in the back seat, and after a while, a minute passes. "Are we there yet?" says Donkey, and the cycle repeats itself. And of course, this never happens in real life. So we've got two conditions: you're either there or you're not. So let's see how we can code this using our Boolean data type. If we were designing our program, we would set the destination, the name of a variable, to false, and this is a new loop called a while end while loop, and so we can say while the destination is false, in other words no, we keep asking, "Are we there yet?" And if the answer is yes, we set the destination to true, and then we can escape from the loop and display a message that Donkey's making waffles. So let's see how we can translate this design into code. Notice the advantage of using a Boolean data type is we can use a change in its state, going from false to true, to escape particular loops. In the while and end while loop, that would constantly keep repeating as long as the condition, or in this case destination, was false. So let's have a look. You'll be doing this, and I've made it a little bit fancier. All you would have to do is create a form and put a button on. As you can see, I've improved the design interface. I've included a picture from Donkey, and if you wanted to include that, you would use the picture object from the toolbox. There we go. I'll just use the picture box. Anyway, put the button on. So let's have a look at the code. So here we only got one private sub linked to the button.1. I'll just close the tool button. Here, the destination, the name of the variable. It's a Boolean data type, so that's how we would declare our Boolean value, and we would set it as false. And we would set up another variable. In this case, we're going to call it answer, to store the response from the message box. We start our while loop, and we'll say while the destination is false, we'll continue to repeat the following loop. So we've got our answer equals message box. Remember, we've used these before. We've got our question inside quotation marks, comma, and then we've got a message box style. That's yes, no. Remember there are various other ones, OK and cancel, but we're going to be using yes, no, and we'll set a title to the box, question from Donkey. Once we've got our answer, we'll have to test it to see whether it equals the yes value, VB yes. And if it is yes, then we change the destination to true, and now we can exit the loop, because destination would no longer be false. We've set it to true down here. We can end our test condition, and then we can escape the loop, end while, and display a message box. So let's see how this works. Start the program. We get our build. Just move this over here. We've got our form that we've designed, our user interface. We click the question, "Are we there yet?" And of course no, no, keeps repeating the question because the destination is false. We click yes, we get our message, cool, in the morning I'm making waffles. Click OK. We're back, we've finished the program, we're in a form, click it again. Are we there yet? Question from Donkey. Are we there yet? No, 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 no. And we can keep clicking all day, and this program would keep repeating its loop until we change the value of the destination variable from false to true by clicking on yes. And that is all there is to Boolean data types. And it also illustrates how we can use it to escape from loops. So I'll stop the program. So what you need to do is just try this out for yourself on a quick form and understand how that it works.